Welcome back. Question 3 from the IBSL Maths May 2015 paper 1 time zone 2. Got it. Alright, the following cumulative frequency diagram shows the lengths of 160 fish in centimetres. Let's see if we can scroll up there. Yep, you can see it's question 3. This question continues on the following page, so we've got to keep that there and then we'll keep going and we'll flick back between the two. So, find the median length. First one, we've got to find the median length. You've got to show some evidence when you're doing these that you know what you're doing. So the median, when you're dealing with a cumulative frequency graph, usually to find a median, we take the number of scores, add 1 and divide by 2. When you're doing it with the graph, they're happy for you to just use 80 as being half of 160. The median, of course, is halfway through the data when it's arranged in order. So some sort of evidence showing that you've worked out the median there on the diagram would be sufficient, and you can see that it's going to be 3. So we just go ahead and write down 3 centimetres. Next, write down the value of P. This is the number that measured between 0 and 2. So we go back and have a look here in our diagram between 0 and 2 centimetres. This time we're going from 2 centimetres up. You can see that value there, if we trace it across, is 30. So, again, pretty straightforward there. I'd draw the lines on, but my writing's a little bit messy. And because this one says write down, you don't need to show any other evidence. The other one, 2 marks, you've got to show some evidence. Write down, it's going to be worth 1 mark. And we decided the value of that was 30, was it? Well, I hope it was. The next one, find the value of Q. Well, show a bit of evidence. It's giving you a few marks here. So Q is going to be 160 minus 30 minus 50 and minus 20. That's one way you could do it. Total number, subtract the other 3. Given that they add up to 160 altogether, we get very easily there Q is equal to 60. What's the other way you could do it? It's between 3 and 4.5. You can come over here and say 3, there's 4.5, so 3 was 80. 4.5, we are up to 140, so that's a total of 60. Either way, we get 60. So a bit of flipping backwards and forwards, but again, pretty straightforward, nice questions, easing you into the paper, giving you lots of time up your sleeve for when we get to the more challenging ones, which we'll get to shortly. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.